I hate you. I hate you. Sorry guys. Mr. Herring is over here teasing me. Okay. Uh, good day to you. All right. So I'm going to introduce what we're talking about today in social studies, and I guess I could take this mask off, right? We're going to talk about the Comanche, the Lipan Apache, the Kiowa, the two other tribes that are in here, the Concho and the Mescalero Apache. Okay, and actually the Isleta del Sur as well. But let's just briefly go over the Comanche. Okay, they're one of the most powerful groups of Native Americans, especially during the 1700s. They, especially after they acquired horses from the Europeans, they started taking over land. And one of their enemies actually was the Lipan Apache, because the Lipan Apache were farmers. So they were easy targets when their crops and everything were just out there in the fields. The Comanche would come through and they would raid them.
Because the Comanche were nomads.
Exactly. And their main source of food was buffalo hunting. And they would use every part of the buffalo to for tools, clothes, blankets, that sort of thing. And as Mr. Herring said, they were nomadic, right? Which is one of our vocabulary words from the other day. So you should know what nomad means, right? And it does not mean that you were not mad, okay? Don't put that, all right? Okay. So some of the other tribes you're going to read about today, as I mentioned, were the Mescalero Apache, and they were actually a nomadic sect of the Apache, right? Which makes them different than the Lipan Apache, who were farmers and not nomadic. And then you have the Concho, which were more towards South Texas and Mexico. And then you're going to read a short paragraph about the Kiowa and how they became allies to the Comanche. And you'll learn what allies are if you don't already, right? And then in the West Texas area, you had the Isleta del Sur, and they were part of the Pueblo culture, which Pueblo was one of our vocabulary words this week as well. So you'll hit on that too. And then the last one is the Kickapoo. Yes, go ahead and laugh. Okay, I understand. All right. But you'll read a short paragraph about them as well. And then at the end of this week, we'll have a fun project for you guys to start, so that we can learn some more about each of these tribes and some tribes that we haven't really gotten to hit on yet. So that'll be exciting. Mr. Herring, you have anything to add?
Make sure you pay very close attention to the difference between historical times and the Native Americans today. Remember, today means present time. Historical means past. Remember that.
Historical means past. Today means modern times, right? Present day. Okay. All right. I have a joke for you guys today. Actually, I have two. Actually. Okay. All right. What do you call a cow with two legs? Lean beef. What do you call what do you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef. All right, and those jokes were funny. Okay, all right. So go ahead and laugh. It's fine. But all right. Well, that's all I've got for you guys today. Anything else? No.
That's good.
Good. All right. We're good then. We're good. We'll see you guys next time.
Join our Zooms.
Oh, join the Zoom. Yes, Mr. Herring gets lonely on the Zoom, so join him. Okay. Join mine too. Mine too. Bye.